Hi, I'm Sam. I'm Head of Advisory at Blue Marble, and in this presentation I'm going to discuss what is an EPD. In order to understand what an EPD is, first of all we need to have a basic understanding of lifecycle assessment. This diagram here on the left is a visualization of the life cycle of a typical product. It starts with raw materials, then the product is manufactured, there's transportation involved, the product is used, and then it reaches the end of its life. And at each of those life cycle stages, resources are consumed. And that may be water, certainly energy, and certainly materials. Correspondingly, there are environmental impacts at each of those life cycle stages, and they may result in acid rain potential, climate change, water pollution, or ozone layer depletion. And once we understand what the environmental impacts are of the product's life cycle, we can start to do something about it. So with raw materials, we can increase the recycled content. With manufacturing, we can look at ways of saving energy and reducing emissions. With the transportation, we can look to reduce transportation distances and look at other ways of packaging the product. With the use phase, we can design the product in such ways that it's more energy efficient. And at the end of life, again, we can design the product in a way that it increases the reuse potential of it or its recyclability. So what is an EPD then? Well, an EPD is just a summary document of the life cycle assessment that you have conducted on your product. It's typically 10 to 15 pages long. It contains technical product details, nothing confidential, but technical details like you might find in a technical data sheet. But importantly, it also includes environmental data, and that's in the form of tables at the end of the EPD document typically. It's considered to be highly accurate, it's standardized, and it's verified.